guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Bluetooth earpiece headset. So this was sent out to me by the fine folks over at Newbie. So I want to give a big shout out to them for providing this for a review. So this is the Newbie Bluetooth earpiece V5.0 wireless hands-free headset, 24-hour driving headset, 60-day standby time with noise cancellation mic, headset case for iPhone, Android, Samsung, laptop, truck driver. So you can pick this up over at Amazon.com. You can also get it on their website. I'll drop both links in the description below. Amazon.com, you can get it for $17.59 right now and get an extra 5% off if you apply the coupon. This comes in 3 different colors. You can get it in the gold, the black, and the white. So let's take a look at some of the features and details of this device. Straight off the hand, so it's hands-free conversation, HD voice for music and phone calls, high quality microphone, CVC 6.0 noise cancellation. So this will provide some clear sound for talking, and it's also compatible with your MP4s, tablet PCs, laptops, Apple products, desktop, and other Bluetooth devices. So this has the answer and end calls, double click to redial. When listening to music, click to pause and double click to play. So it has some great features here. Let's go down here and look at a few more here. It's lightweight, only weighs 0.4 ounces. So here's the battery stats on it right here. 60 days, 1440 hour standby, 24 hours talk time, 22-hour music play, and you can connect this to 2 separate devices and use them at the same time. So the link will be in the description, guys, where you can go over and check out the whole list of specs on this device. Here's the box that it comes in. You can see Newbie Bluetooth headset, 24-hour maximum talk time, which is great. So let's get into the box, check it out. So it's been a long time since I had a device like this. So straight off the bat here, you get some earplugs here. So that's pretty nice to throw those in there. So here's the content of the box. So you do get a user's manual here. Tells you everything you need to know about that. And that's pretty much all in the box. And here's the little case. It get a nice carrying case, soft material but rigid on the outside. Get a carabiner clip here to attach it to your belt or your bag, and a nice red and black color, man. I really like the color on this. And zip up here. So let's see what we get on the inside of it here. So we do get a charging cable, which is USB to USB-A. You also get another bag of goodies here. So let's see what we got here. So you have some extra little ear tip holders right here with the wing on them. Got one. And it look like you got different sizes. Yeah, you got a couple of different sizes, as you can see. So you should have something in there that will fit your ear. So it's two different sets of these. You do have the hooks. So you have a clear hook and a black hook. And these are pretty nice here. And this can be used on your left or your right ear. So 2 clear ones and 1 black one. And you also get another earpiece here. So if you wanted to use these and while you're listening to your music, talking on your phone calls or whatever, and kind of have them both in both ears like a stereo effect, then you can do that. And here's the inside of the packaging, where the little carrying case where you can keep all your stuff in there and you don't lose anything. So let's take a look at the earpiece here. So like I said, it's been a long time since I had one of these, and these used to be real great. I used to love this type of earpiece here, and I'm going to really enjoy this one. So here's the other different earpiece here. The little tips that go on the end. Very lightweight, like I said, 0.4 ounces. And you got your USB charging port right here. You got your volume up and down. Got your on and off button. Let's see if we got any power. Yeah, I got a light going there. You do have like a microphone here. And this is clickable right here. So very small, as you guys can see in my hand. And it's lightweight. So I'm going to go ahead, get this stuff cleaned up, and then we'll pair it up, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I'm going to go ahead and pair this to my phone here. So let's go into Bluetooth. And we're going to go ahead and scan. And let me go ahead and turn this on. Get this in pairing mode. So as you can see, it's flashing different colors there. So that is pairing mode right there. And I'm going to go ahead and scan for a new device here on my phone, and it's trying to pick up. So that LC-V5.0 is going to be the device that we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and press that, and it says pairing. So there's the pairing request. So we're going to go ahead and press OK, and now you see the light has stopped and it is paired. So connected for calls and audio, battery life 100%. So you get to see that. And you can toggle calls and audio and unpair it within your settings there. So I'm going to go ahead and use this for a few hours, guys. Come back, give you a report on what I think about it. And I'm definitely going to use this also with this. Let me show you guys how this looks. So this is if you want to listen at your music in both ears. This is pretty long, as you guys can see. So what you do is you just plug this in like so. Now it doesn't seem to be an inline mic with this, so you'll just be talking out of this ear. And I'm going to go ahead and put the clip on there as well. So let's do that, guys. I'm going to use the black clip. And you just put it just like this, and it flips either side. And I'm going to show you guys how this look on my ear as well. So that is how it looks. We're going to go ahead and make some phone calls with it, come back in a few and let you guys, so hang out, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have been using this for about an hour now. I've made a few phone calls, listen at some music, watch some YouTube. So I have used it in conjunction with this other earpiece, and it works well. You get sound in both ears. Don't expect a lot of bass or just tremendous sound out of these, but you do get sound in both ears. Now, when using this for phone calls, it was excellent. The people that I talked to, until I told them that I was using an earpiece, they had no idea, because it was very clear. I could hear them very well. Now, keeping this in the ear is very snug and secure, along with this clip and the wing on your earpiece right there. Very secure. Never felt like it was going to fall out of my ear or anything. This doesn't go very far in my ear. I could probably change the tip and get it to go in there, but it was a secure fit. Very lightweight, 0.4 ounces. Didn't realize it was in my ear a lot of times. If I needed to control the volume buttons are very easy to push. On and off switch is right there. The clicking mechanism here works excellent. So I use it for YouTube, to make phone calls, and to listen at some music. So here's the app here. So if you watch my phone here, one click and that starts it to going. Another click to stop it. And this is very, very easy to click. Makes an audible sound, so you know you have made your click. And just overall, very nice product, in my opinion. You can pick this up on Amazon.com and also on Newbie's website. I'll leave a link in the description for both. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.
Perfect. Perfect.